Okay, let's come right here. Good job. Okay, we're gonna get our face wet. So the first thing we're gonna do is get our chin wet together. Good job. And let's get our mouth wet. Close your mouth. Very good. Did you get any fishies in there? No, let me see. Open your mouth. Oh, good job. And we're gonna get our nose wet. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. And we're gonna get our eyes wet. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Good job. Let's get our ear wet. And our other ear wet.
I did that one. You did that one.
Oh, that was silly. Did we do the opposite ones? And then one more time, we're gonna get our whole face wet. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Good job. That was